Hi, my name is Daniel here at Motor Match Stockport, and I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Here we have this gorgeous Ford Focus 1 litre turbo EcoBoost ST-Line. Now this vehicle has currently run 48,776 miles and it's finished in the colour frozen white. It does come with 2 previous services. It's a very sporty looking hatchback, all thanks to the ST-Line body styling. It sits very nicely on 17-inch alloy wheels. You do have halogen headlights which include LED daytime running lights. Taking a look at the boot here, you'll find 341 litres of boot space, which can be increased to 1,320 with the rear seats down. You do also have a spare wheel underneath the boot floor, which is a very handy touch to have. Taking a look inside to the rear here, you'll find your gorgeous black cloth interior with the sporty contrasting red stitching. There are ISOFIX points on the outer seat, so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured in for peace of mind. Here at front, you'll find your leather multifunction flat bottom steering wheel. Moving around to your front seats, and you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable in this vehicle. On the steering wheel here, you'll find your cruise control along with your volume adjustments for the infotainment system. On the right, you do have some controls for the trip display in the instrument cluster. On this display, you've got access to all different information. You do have your driver assist features, which does include your pre-collision assist, as well as your lane keeping system. You do also have your speed sign recognition, which will show you the speed limit display on the screen here. You also have access to navigation, audio, telephone, and some settings for the vehicle as well. You can also see your standard trip information. In the centre of the dashboard here, you have your sync-free infotainment system, where you've got access to DAB, FM and AM radio, as well as Bluetooth connectivity, where you can safely make hands-free phone calls while on the go. You do also have navigation to ensure you're never lost, allowing you to head to new places very easily. You also have your smartphone connection with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. You can access some system settings here as well. It's all very easy to use. Down below you'll find your air conditioning here. You do have a front and rear heated windscreen. Down below you'll find your USB and 12-volt socket and some storage. Your 6-speed manual gear selector here, and next to this you'll also find your button for your driving modes. You do have the choice of normal, eco and sport, which change how the vehicle performs and handles, so you can enhance your driving experience.
Our AC extended warranties are available. For more information or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358 or inquire online now.